So in an effort to get going again on my channel, I am redoing my office in the new house. It's not new to me. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys, and I'm gonna show you kind of an abbreviated version of the process, which is mainly just repainting a room. I'm gonna have some other furniture coming in, but it's gonna be budget-friendly furniture so that I can have stuff that's not literally falling apart. And then I feel like I can probably have a better space to be able to take care of stuff and include you guys in the process, all that good stuff. All right, hold on, I'll show you the room. All right, so this space, I'm gonna start with the least scary part, which is the blinds. I'll probably still replace them, but as of right now, they are the least scary part of this 1978 masterpiece. We've got some shelves over here. There are actually a lot more shelves. They're sitting right there. They will also be repainted. And let's keep going around. I'm gonna head to the other side of the room. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so we have some of it taped, some of it not. As you can see, I didn't even unpack at all because I knew this was inevitable, as Thanos says. So we're about to get started. I'm gonna give you kind of a little glimpse of the process. We have the paint right here. It's gonna be a really nice, pretty little gray color, discounted. Everything discounted. This is where we begin. This is where we begin. And I'll show you updates as I remember to. But more importantly, I just want to get it done and get a few pieces of budget-friendly office furniture to go in this office/guest/Chloe's room. Most importantly, I want it to look nice. And I want Chloe to feel comfortable, like it's a pretty little bedroom that is nice and airy and bright. So be on the lookout for the next step. Thanks, guys. Admittedly, things are slow going, and also things aren't looking that great. So this is where we're at. We decided to stop for the night. This is like half a can of the Skills. So we'll see how it goes. I've read about it, so I mean, I feel like, you know, this is basically like 1.5 coats for just this section. And once this all gets done, I'm sure it's gonna look wonderful. It's gonna be really cute, blah, 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 blah. But right now I'm not feeling super great about it. Okay. This looks so crazy right now. But things are starting to come together. We have 1 coat of the primer on. You can totally tell the difference though between the 2 different kinds of primer, because we started out with, like, okay, over there, this is the Kills 2, and then we upgraded to the Kills 3, and that one definitely got superior coverage. So if anybody ever tells you that Kills 2 and Kills 3 are basically the same, well, they're lying to you. So here we are. This is the current state of things. Keep you updated. Bye. Okay, I'm calling it. I think we're done with the white paint. We still have to paint the cabinets, but it'll be all... But everything else as far as the trim and stuff is as good as it's gonna get. Well, it is crazy in here. We've basically finished with the paint. We're doing a little bit of touching up. Hi, Paul. He's been helping me every step of the way, but you can see where we're touching it up. It's not, you know, dry, and so here we go. It is looking really beautiful, though. I love this color. It's called Greek Villa. And so it's looking good. Everything is, the color is perfect. It's gonna be beautiful. Once we get the tape down and it's all dried in one non-patchy shade, then I will give you guys another update. See you then. All right, folks, now the tape is gone, and though it is not perfect, it is as perfect as I want it to be. We still have to paint those shelves white to put them in their place, put all the light switch covers. However, we do want to wait until the paint sets a little bit better before we do that, though I think it's looking pretty nice. Not every edge is perfect, not every corner is perfect, blah, 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 but it works. Wait for the next update. Perfectionist. Alright, so this is the closet door, and I'm doing like a dry brushing technique to give it like an aged kind of look, but I'm only going to go ahead and do the side that's facing the room. This is the closet door. I'm going to also do the bedroom door, but again, I'm going to do it so that's only the side that is facing the room, so that all the outsides of the doors look still similar. So that's what we're gonna do. This is what the door looks like to start. Okay, that's like 1.5 coats. Okay, looks like we're almost there. Just see a couple little things I want to do. Okay. We have progress being made. We have doors in here. We have some furniture. We have a headboard coming along. We just have an empty spot that needs a desk. So we'll see when the desk gets put together. And the headboard will be obviously over the bed. All right, party people. We are close to there. We got doors, we got bedspreads, we got shelves, we got a desk, and then this headboard, we need to figure out how to hang that up. I mean, it's not actually a headboard, but we're making it one. And then I have my fancy desk here that I'm so excited about, with a glass top and a big old drawer. So, I think things are coming along. We also have curtains to hang, but I like it. What do you guys think of my door? We are making more progress in this space. I've rearranged some things, hung some curtains, put away my Mary Kay product, and magically was able to fit it all in this one space. I have some work to do on my desk. I've already started playing around with doing makeup there. I have another box here to unload and an entire closet. So, I'll just keep you all informed through the process. It's gonna be slow. I'm gonna try and crop all of these videos and kind of just make it as concise as possible for you. Looking forward to starting to film right here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little snippet of where we're at in terms of decorating the office, making it the space I'm gonna be using, in addition to a guest space, and of course Chloe's space when she's here. So when she's here, obviously she's gonna have the run of the land. When she's not, it's pretty much gonna be the office, the filming space, all that great stuff, and then secondhand a guest room. So let's see where we're at. Okay, so we started putting things on the shelves. I have my whole nail polish collection over there. I've got a few little odds and ends. And I think I already showed you that good stuff, but I have not shown you those fancy drawers. Oh, got those from IKEA, and they were very reasonably priced. Those drawers, so be on the lookout. I'm gonna compare those drawers to those drawers. Kind of explain what things are all about. Filming stuff. If you are in the process of making a makeup space, I think having that comparison may be valuable for you. And that's it. We're about to get started. I really think I'm about to make my first video in here. I do have a couple more things to add to this, but I think it's just going to be a work in progress. So I'm just going to call this good as far as this space is concerned. I may hang that up. I may find a place to hang that poster up. We'll see. But I think you guys will just have to see how things go and what I decide to put up and what I don't. Otherwise, you're probably just going to see me from this vantage point right here.